Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn a simple way how you can edit all tags on your videos on YouTube, or how you can also add keywords for your videos on YouTube. So what you want to do is just click here videos and click here on select all. You can also select all, or you don't need to do that, it's really up to you. Now you want to click on edit, you want to click here on tags, and you can add the tags. So this is if I would add Fortnite, you can replace all, so everything will be deleted, but you will add a new ones for your videos, or remove. So you can also remove tags. So if you don't like some, you can remove them too. So these are the 3 ways how you can edit the text to all existing videos on YouTube. If you have any questions, please ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.